Hello friends, today's video regarding Ulefone's Power Armour 16S.
With me, and I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time to stand strong.
The Power Armour 16S, an improved version of Ulefone's Power Armour 16 Pro, was recently introduced. When the new phone was released, it impressed the rugged phone market with its 122 dB loudspeaker and large 9,600 mAh battery capacity. As a result, it's an excellent choice for entertainment while camping outside. The Power Armour 16S retains its predecessor's incredibly loud speaker and integrated glare torch. It has one of the largest smartphone speakers available, with a massive 11.5 cubic centimeters sound cavity and a 36 millimeters diameter. It can produce hi-fi quality sound and reach 122 dB of loudness with a rated power of 3.5 W. This makes it the ideal companion for outdoor activities such as hiking, cycling, camping, and picnics. The built-in 126 lumen torch allows users to illuminate their surroundings without using a heavy handheld torch. This rugged phone also has a large 9,600 mAh battery, making it ideal for extended outdoor adventures. The Power Armour 16S continues the legacy of its predecessor by retaining the USmart connector, which provides access to the Ulefone accessory ecosystem. Because of its compatibility with the USmart series products, the phone is more suitable for demanding and professional applications. The new Power Armour 16S significantly improves upon the Power Armour 16 Pro. With up to 16 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM, it provides a significant boost in memory and storage. Additionally, a 50MP Samsung primary camera is included. A significant improvement over the 16MP camera on the 16 Pro, ideal for those who value mobile photography. The Power Armour 16SS 5.93-inch HD Plus display, with a resolution of 720 by 1440 pixels, displays vibrant HD images. The Unisoc T616 octa-core chipset powers it, ensuring a fast and fluid gaming and multitasking experience. The new model, which runs Android 13, provides a more personalized and user-friendly experience than the previous model, which remains powered by Android 12. The bloatware, unwanted pre-installed software, is guaranteed to be absent from the pure version interface. On March 17, 2024, the Power Armour 16S will be available for purchase at the official Ulefone store on AliExpress. There is a jack for wired headphones, as well as support for NFC contactless payments, making grocery shopping quick and easy. As a result, we have a low-cost device that is both user-friendly and functional, with no major flaws. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you in the next video.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know